A man is walking through the forest. Suddenly, he spots a wolf, wounded, in pain, trapped in a snare. He moves closer, slowly, carefully. The wolf snarls, bares its teeth, and then it stops, as if it knew. Is that even possible? Can a wild animal actually sense that a human means no harm? Today we're going to answer that question through science, through jaw-dropping true stories, and through the hidden psychology of animals. Stay with me, because the answer will change how you look at every animal you ever encounter. In 2011, off the coast of Costa Rica, something happened that stunned the world. A shark had become tangled in a fisherman's net. A diver spotted it and made a split-second decision. He dove in and began cutting the net free. At any moment, that shark could have attacked. It didn't. It stayed completely still, almost cooperative, as if it understood what was happening. Experts called it coincidence. But the footage went viral, viewed by hundreds of millions of people. Why? Because deep down, we all want to believe it, that there's something between humans and animals, a silent, unspoken language. And here's the thing. Science says we might be right. Animals don't read emotions, they read signals. Researchers have found that wild animals pick up on three key things when they encounter a human. Number one, body language. When a person crouches down, moves slowly, and avoids direct eye contact, that's submissive body language. To an animal, it signals, this creature is not a threat. Number two, voice. Soft, slow, steady sounds. Calm animals down. It's no accident that every wildlife rescuer in the world speaks in a low, gentle tone. It's not for the cameras. It actually works. Number three, smell. Specifically, cortisol, the stress hormone your body releases when you're afraid. Wolves, deer, even dogs, they can literally smell your fear. If you're terrified, they know it. But here's the most fascinating part. Mirror neurons, the brain cells responsible for empathy, were once thought to be uniquely human. Scientists have since found them in chimpanzees, dogs, and even in birds. That means animals can feel something when they watch others in pain or distress. They aren't just reacting to signals. On some level, they may actually be feeling something too. History is full of moments that defy easy explanation. There's the story of an elephant in Thailand who was badly injured. A veterinarian spent weeks treating her. 20 years later, when that same vet visited the sanctuary, the elephant recognized him. She walked straight to him and pressed her head gently against his chest. In Africa, a lioness repeatedly protected a baby buffalo calf from other predators, the same calf she had knocked down herself just 2 weeks earlier. Researchers watched in disbelief. And then there's the most famous story of all, Christian the lion. A lion cub bought from a department store in London, raised by two young men, then released into the wild in Kenya. A year later, they went back, with no guarantee of what would happen. Christian ran toward them at full speed, and instead of attacking, he wrapped his paws around them and held on. This isn't a movie, this is documented. This happened. But here's where it gets really interesting. Do animals actually understand that a human is trying to help them, or are they simply reading the signals we give off? Science says both, and the difference matters less than you think. A wild animal doesn't consciously think this person wants to save me, but its brain, its instincts, its entire nervous system, they all process the same conclusion. This is not a predator, this is not a threat, and that is enough. We don't need animals to understand our language. We don't need them to know our intentions. We just need to let go of fear and let go of aggression. When we do that, something shifts, and nature does the rest. So the next time you're near a wild animal, slow down, soften your voice, and don't be afraid, because they're not reading your words, they're reading your heart. If this video made you see animals differently, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. And share this with someone who loves animals. They need to see this. Drop a comment below. Have you ever had a moment with a wild animal that you couldn't quite explain? I'd love to hear your story. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries and unbelievable animal facts.